Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. And to this video we're going to talk about how to make your account Instagram private. So let's get started. Well, after getting the application, go to your profile by tapping at the bottom. Then click on the three line at the top right. Now choose this option here, account privacy. You should know that when your account is private, only the followers you approve can see what you share, including your photo or video and hashtag and location page, and your followers and following list certain information on your profile like your profile picture and username is visible to everyone on and off Instagram. Anyway, turn on this option here, click on switch to private, and this is it. Thanks for watching, see ya.